Oh boy, this Q&A video is going well. Let's see how many comments there are. Maybe 10, maybe 50, perhaps even 100. Let's see. Oh no. Oh no! Can you tell me how you make an Android? Did you get your name? Why does every topic programming? Can you hack it? Are you a programmer yourself? Why did you start making? How long age do you take? Watch anime? How do you look like? Please make type. It seems like there are a lot of questions but not a lot of answers. Well, time to answer these. The first question is, what programming languages do you know/use? This is actually the most asked question ever. Like literally, out of all the comments, this was the one that was most asked. Now the answer to this question is, well, it depends. Mainly I use C# and C++ to create software and games. Occasionally, however, I may use Java and Python as well. I also know JavaScript, C, Lua, Bash, TypeScript and PHP, but I don't use them as much. Question 2. How old are you? I am 16 years old. Question 3. Where are you from? I'm from Turkey. Question 4. Why do you have a dog as your profile picture? Well, because I like dogs. I have always had dogs as my profile pictures, so I used one for YouTube as well. Question 5 is, what do you do on your day-to-day life? What are your hobbies? Quite surprisingly, I have a life outside of YouTube. I hang out with friends occasionally, but I am mostly an introvert and spend my time inside on my hobbies. I like developing games and programming. Outside of computers, I'm interested in music, and I can play the piano a bit. Question 6 is, do you have a dog? Sadly not. The dog image in my videos is taken from the internet. The reason I don't have a dog is because of my landlord. They don't allow dogs. Specifically, dogs are not allowed. Probably because it might bark and annoy people. When I move out in a few years, I will definitely get a dog though. Question 7. What is your background or job? As answered in a previous question, I am 16 years old. I do not have a job in programming and do not have any experience in an actual programming job. I mostly do programming as a hobby, and I also freelance as a GTA 5 5M and Minecraft plugin developer. As of right now, I run my small game studio and do YouTube. Question 8 is, what does Zype Guy mean? The story behind the name Zype Guy is a long story. It's mostly something among friends, so it wouldn't make that much sense to anyone. But, I mean, it's Zyap, but Guy. Question 9. What engine do you use to make your games? As of now, I use Unity, but I'm currently making my own engine with OpenGL and C++. It won't be usable for a while, but I still make it in my free time. I'm following this amazing tutorial series by Victor Gordon. If anyone is interested, there's a link in the description. Question 10 is, do you use Windows or Linux? And why? Well, I use Windows as my daily driver for 3 reasons. Adobe Premiere, Fruity Loops Studio, and Paint.net. A lot of apps I use in my daily life either have Linux versions or can be emulated, except those 3. I know there are alternatives to Premiere, FL, and Paint.net, but I would rather use the actual versions because, well, I'm most used to them. Question 11. What type of programmer are you? Oh no, I know this question would come. This is a hard question because I am somewhere between the efficient coder and the yandere though. Sometimes my code is extremely optimized, fully thought out, and documented. However, we all write yandev code sometimes. Question 12. Face reveal when? This question is one I have received a lot. Will I do a face reveal? Yes. When will it be? I don't know. My videos don't require my face to be in them, and I don't think my face being out there would mean anything. I'm sure if you dug around enough, you could find a few photos of me, so it's not really the biggest deal. And the last question is, can this be the final question? No! Bonus question! Coffee or tea? I love tea and I love coffee, but if I had to choose one, I would choose tea because I like it far more. 500 comments, eh? But only 13 answered. Where's the rest? Well, I will answer every single one of the questions in a live stream that I will do this week. I will respond to all of it, so make sure to be subscribed to not miss it. Before I end off the video, I want to tell you about my second channel, Zyap2, where I will be posting content that is about my day-to-day life. It will still be mainly about programming, but there will be the occasional buying cheese vlog. If you want to know more about my daily life, which quite a lot of you do surprisingly, please check it out, it's in the description below. Anyways, thank you guys so much for the crazy amount of support. I will continue to make videos for as long as I physically can. See you all in the next video. Till then, I bid you all farewell. Zype Guy out.